After 50, your body doesn't just fall apart because of age. It falls apart because you stop challenging it. Just 5 static holds, 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. And you can literally hit the reset button on your body. And that 5th hold, it's a Shaolin secret that keeps your knees bulletproof even at 80, but 99% of people make the mistake of skipping it. Number 1, the plank. This is the ultimate armor for your spine. Lower back pain as you get older isn't inevitable. It happens because your deep stabilizing muscles have gone to sleep. Rest your weight on your forearms and toes, and keep your hips perfectly level. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds to lock your spine in alignment for life. Number 2, the wall sit. Stiff, aching knees? Forget about them. This hold safely forces blood into your quads and strengthens the patellar tendon with absolutely 0 joint friction. Press your back flat against the wall with your thighs parallel to the floor. If climbing stairs feels tough, this is your fix. Do 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Number 3, the hollow body hold. The first real sign of aging is a slouched posture. While the plank protects your back from the front, this hold reinforces it from the ground up. Lie face up and smash your lower back flat into the floor. Leave 0 gap. Raise your shoulders and feet just a few inches. 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds will lock your upright posture back in place. Number 4, the isometric wall push. Traditional push-ups can be brutal on older joints. The solution? The wall push. You get maximum muscle fiber activation in your chest, shoulders, and triceps with 0 wear and tear. Stand close to a solid wall and push into it with maximum effort, as if you're trying to move the building. Do 6 sets of 10-second bursts. And finally, number 5, the horse stance. The Shaolin secret that almost everyone skips. This doesn't just build leg strength. It actively opens your hips and fires up your inner thighs to give you the kind of rock-solid balance that keeps you on your feet for decades. Step wide, turn your toes out, and sink down like you're sitting on a horse. Embrace the burn. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Here is your complete 10-minute routine, just 3 times a week. Now, if you want to truly bulletproof your lower body for the next 20 years, you need to know the breathing technique that unlocks this stance. Watch this next video to get it right. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips to stay strong. Start today, and I'll see you there.